Top stocks in news: Amber E&T, Vikram Eng, KEC, Brigade, JBM Auto, JK Lakshmi, Birla and Suraj Estates. A. Corporate actions today. Shares of Piramal Enterprises shall trade ex-date for amalgamation, while shares of Mangalam Industrial Finance shall trade ex-date for rights issue today. Shares of Pidilite Industries and Time Technoplast shall trade ex-date for bonus issue today. B. Dividend shares today. Shares of Amba Enterprises, Best Agrolife, Crest Ventures, Dev IT, Emerald Finance, Grovi India, Gujarat Apollo, Hariom Pipe Industries, HP Adhesives, India Glycols, Moltec Technologies, Premier Explosives, Steel Strips Wheels, Suntec Realty, Talbros Engineering, Tilkanagar Industries, Vipul Organics, Zodiac Ventures and others shall trade ex-dividend today. C. Amba Enterprises India. The electronics manufacturer firm has raised 1,000 crore rupees via the allotment of 12,57,861 shares to qualified institutional buyers, including Nomura India, Invesco India, HDFC Life Insurance, Allianz Global Investors Fund, and HDFC Mutual Fund, at 7,950 rupees per share. D. Vikram Engineering. The recently listed EPC player reported 31.7% YoY rise in the net profit at 5.65 crore rupees, while its revenue jumped 17% YoY to 159.2 crore rupees for the June 2025 quarter. E. KEC International. The RPG Group company has secured new orders worth 3,243 crore rupees for transmission and distribution projects in the United Arab Emirates and the United States. With these orders, its year-to-date YTD order intake stands at 11,700 crore rupees. F. Brigade Enterprises. The real estate company has signed a joint development agreement to develop a residential project in South Bengaluru. The project will span 7.5 acres with a gross development value, GDV, of approximately 1,200 crore rupees. G. JK Lakshmi Cement. The cement player has commissioned an additional grinding unit with a capacity of 13.50 lakh tons per annum at Surat and completed the debottlenecking of its cement mills at Jaikaipuram, Sirohi. With this, the total cement capacity of the company has increased from 16.5 MTPA to 18 MTPA. H. JBM Auto. The auto ancillary company's subsidiary, JBM Electric Vehicles, entered into a strategic partnership with Al Habtoor Motors, UAE. Under this partnership, Al Habtoor Motors will be the exclusive importer and distributor of JBM's electric buses in the UAE. I. Birla Corporation. The government of Telangana has declared RCCPL, a wholly owned material subsidiary of the company, as the preferred bidder in the auction of the Gudarampur limestone and manganese block. J. Suraj Estate Developers. The real estate developer has announced the launch of a residential tower, Suraj Park View 1, in Dadar, West, Mumbai, with an estimated gross development value of 250 crore rupees and a saleable carpet area of 0.53 lakh square feet. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice.